Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna put one more mod on this truck. It's not a mod, it's just a practical thing. As you can see, I'm in the middle of a floor replacing in my house. I'm doing it myself, so I'm extremely busy. But I'm gonna do this short video right here, and I'm gonna tell you guys once again why I like to use OEM parts for my vehicles rather than aftermarket. So there you guys have it. Those are gonna be the Mopar floor mats, and here's the carpet ones right here. I'm not even gonna use it. I like the way the truck inside look with this rubber floor mats. So let's unlock the truck. Excuse the mess. I'm actually extremely busy, guys. Ooh, fancy. Unlocks just like that. All right. What a nice truck. All right, so let's get those and install it. Once again, I am a one-man show. I don't have any help, so bear with me. All right. So these are two pieces for the back. I'll try to put the camera over here, like so. Right, and that's it. Let's see. So that's gonna go in like so. One side piece, and down here there is a button right here. You press it and it's gonna snap. So let's see how that's gonna work out. Snap. I'm gonna get the other piece and we're gonna put it on the other side, and we're gonna make this whole liner. Yeah, my other truck, guys, came with this from a dealer. I had to buy this separately for this new truck. See over here, they snap one another like so, and they lock like that. Right there, perfect. And the other side also got a button like that side. You snap it and it's locked in place. Looks perfect fit. Alright guys, so that's gonna cover the back one. You can see it looks very nice and clean. I love it. Here in the front, and the truck is nice and clean. So I'm gonna move this back a little bit. Alright, here's the front one, guys. Got two buttons to lock right there, and I'll show you after I install them. I'm gonna show you why I like the OEM stuff so much. That one's done. We got one more for a passenger. Move the seats back a little bit. Sorry, one-man show. So passenger also got two buttons, snap in place. And I put it like so. This is one, guys. Look at it. It just belongs there. It's designed perfectly. Feels good, looks good. OEM badgings. I love that. I love that, guys. And you can see over here on the back, everything fits perfectly, looks good. RAM badging, looks nice and clean. Perfect fit. Perfect fit. See, this is why I like the OEM stuff right here. See? Couple more things I'm gonna do to this truck, guys, is you can see on this truck I got an automatic tailgate release. I'm gonna do a spray on bed liner and I'm gonna put a cover, so it's gonna look nice and complete. So now I'm gonna head it to the car wash to clean it up. And yeah, that's it, guys. That's another reason that I like to use OEM parts. See how the side steps came out? It just looks perfect, perfectly blend. You know, I don't like aftermarket. It just, to me, you know, I'm not saying that the aftermarket parts guy is not good. It's just sometimes, you know, I like my vehicles to be, you know, OEM. It just makes me happy when I see everything loaded with the OEM stuff and just looks perfect to me. Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I will keep you updated, posted. Now it's a winter time. Hopefully we're gonna get a lot of snow. I'm gonna be taking these trucks out on a snow drive. Hopefully we're gonna find spots to go off-roading and have fun with them. And on the summertime, we're gonna get the Savage going with the drag radials on the back. We'll go out. We're gonna take it on a track and have fun with that. Alright, guys, thank you very much for listening. I will see you soon with another video. Have a good one. Bye. Bam.